Morning everyone, John for Popeyes Postcards. We're going to do our daily what sold video. These are the postcards that sold on March 1st. As you can see on the screen, pretty good day, $215 on 21 orders. Had one sale on HIP for $15.99. So 22 orders, $231. Go ahead and get started here. This is New Orleans, Louisiana, old Absence House, real photo. Same buyer who bought the Absence houses from me the other day came back and bought this one for $21 on a best offer. And yeah, 21 bucks best offer. To My Valentine, Daisy Girl unsigned clap saddle. Just another image that I've seen attributed to clap saddle. It's I don't know what the color. I don't know if that's part of the postcard or just it's dirty. I'm not 100% sure. But I took a $5 best offer because it just doesn't look in pristine condition. If it wasn't pristine, that's probably a $12 to $15 postcard. This is Paris, Tennessee, world's largest fish fry parade marching band. Here's that. Probably 1960s, maybe early 70s. $5 best offer. Next, this is a dual view banner greetings of the Hoosier State, Indiana, showing both the Indianapolis 500 Speedway and the huge whatever football stadium that is, and I cannot talk this morning. That's the Notre Dame Stadium. $5 best offer. This is Alabama. This is Montgomery, Tallahassee Falls. Had this for probably 7+ years. Hideous red background. $3.99 for that card. Valentine's Day, man courting woman, large silk heart pincushion. So that's a large piece of silk. It's it's spongy, so there's something behind it, and there are pincushion postcards out there. Whether this is actually one, that's what I called it. But $19.99 for that card. Next, this is Bel Air, California, home of Judy Garland picture inset. Again, if you ever find these in the quarter box for, well, a quarter, pick them up because they're constant sellers at anywhere between $5 to $10. $5.99 is what I got for this one. Mexican Border War, 1915, Mexican sharpshooters, Pancho Villa. I should probably just give up talking today. It looks like a real photo, has a look of a real photo back, but it is not. It's a litho print. Let me see if I note that. No. $16.99 for that card. This is Brantford, Connecticut, Holly's Barn Restaurant Seafood. And $9.74 for that card. Paris Landing, Tennessee, State Park Swimming Pool. And that sold for $12.99. St. Patrick's Day, Erin Go Bra, Kissing Behind Flag. And that sold for $10.99. Same person bought this one too. They might have a little collection of kissing behind something. Postcard collectors are weird. Their categories and topics are there are a lot of them. Never mind the shadow grasp the substance, kissing in boat umbrella. Never mind the shadow grasps the substance. Okay. $8.49 for that card. Grand Island, Nebraska, Lazy V Motel. $6.99 for that card. This is Cruiser McKinley Wallam Park, Lowminster City, Massachusetts, Band Carnival. I don't know what that means. So it's almost like a old home week type of thing. And I mean, that looks fake. That looks like a miniature fake ship. Anyway, $11.79 for that card. Richmond, Virginia. This is the Richmond Belle Diner restaurant. Probably should have put Woody Station Wagon if I would have had room. 1940s, probably late 40s, early 50s. $8.50. This is Graham, Texas, Lake Edelman, 1940s, linen. $9.99 for that card. This is Last Star Native American Indian Boy, Reed's Indian Pictures. So Reed is the publisher or photographer. It's not a real photo. 1940s. $16.99 for that card. Las Vegas, Nevada, MGM Grand Hotel Casino Resort. This is a continental size postcard from what, the 80s or 90s. It says right there, 94. I got these in the auction from last August. Paid pennies for them and have multiple quantities. $2.49 for that card. Indian Point, New York, Hudson River Dayline Park, New York, hand colored. There's that, and sold for $9.99. This is Vermont, old covered bridge over Otter Creek in Green Mountains. Had this up for probably 7+ years. Sold for $6 on a best offer. Patriotic George Washington Inauguration as President, Tux #2. So I had a couple of these. And sold for $7.99. Then the one card that sold over on Hip. This is Butler, Missouri, post office, real photo. April 1950, first trip, Kansas City, Carthage, HPO. HPO is Highway Post Office. And there's the stamp and the cancel for the first trip. And that's sold for $15.99. Okay. Pretty good rebound day of sales, 231. Thank you all for watching.